Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can use Elevenlabs for free in 2025. So in order to do it, you need to first of all open your web browser and search for Elevenlabs. Once you are on the official website of Elevenlabs, you need to simply just create your account. Their official free plan gives you 10,000 plus characters every month, and that's around 10 minutes of the voice generation using their AI voices. This is meant for the personal and the non-commercial use only. Now you need to use it wisely. You need to stick to one account and do not use VPNs here or make multiple free accounts, because then you are going to get a lot of problems with Elevenlabs. If you do that, they might flag your account for abuse or block access. So you need to keep it simple and honest. Now you need to break your script into the small chunks. Like if you have 10,000 characters for free, you can make the small chunks like 2,000 characters each. You can generate the voice clips for intros, small sections, or testing the voices. You can also preview your voices before generating it. So here, if you come on this option and click on the text to speech option, in the right hand section you will see the voices, so you can click on it, and instead of providing your script over here and wasting your characters, I would recommend you to just click on the preview options, and here you will start listening to the audio that the narrator is speaking over here. If you like that audio, you can select it, and then you can provide the text over here so that you could listen how it will look. If you post your audio online, you may need to give the credit, and sometimes like voice generated with Elevenlabs, always check their latest terms to be sure of it. And remember, the free tier is not for the commercial use, so don't use it in the paid content. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.